How's it called? According to an online dictionary and in very simple terms, a cult is a small religious group that is not part of a larger and more acceptable religion and that has beliefs regarded by many people as extreme or dangerous. A satanic cult members. So the keywords here are it's not a part of a larger accepted religion and it is extreme and dangerous. And most of the times the leaders or the members are satanic. So let's jump, let's jump in. Cults may appear wonderful on the outside, but on the inside, they are very manipulating. Cult leaders are desperate to trick you into joining the membership, to join the community, to join the gang, to join the ark. They are after your time, they are after your obedience, and they are after your money. Cha-ching. Cults use sophisticated mind control and recruitment techniques that they have refined over the years. They are preoccupied with bringing in new members. They are preoccupied with making money. That is a big focus. Money, new members. The leadership dictates how a member should act, respond, and think. The leadership is in total mind control of its members or followers. The cult group is designed to advance the goals of the leader or the pastor or whoever is in charge. Again, these leaders see themselves as gods and they use the followers, they use the members to accomplish tasks that they sometimes wouldn't. Is it narcissism? Is it the greed of wanting power? Or is it the jealousy of wanting to be like God, wanting someone to worship them? We may never know, but what we do know is by their fruits we shall know them. So when they're exhibiting fruits of deception, when they're exhibiting fruits of wanting to destroy people's mental state, spiritually and mentally, when we see that they are breaking down people into total submission, we know that this is of the devil. These are traits of the devil. And what does the Bible say? The Bible says to flee from these things. Do not seek these things because you will be destroyed. And just like Joseph, we have to take a stand and flee.